Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button in WooCommerce WordPress. This is essential for giving your customers a clear and easy way to purchase products from your online store. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged in with the credentials that have access to your WooCommerce site, as you'll need proper permissions to make these changes. After logging in, you'll need to access your site's design settings. To do this, look at the left navigation menu and click on Appearance. This will expand a series of options related to your site's look and functionality. From the options that appear, click on Editor. This takes you to the WordPress page editor where you can customize individual pages and their elements from the page editor screen. Direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Pages. This will show you all the pages currently on your WordPress site. Now look for the specific page where you want to add the Add to Cart button. This could be a product page, a shop page, or any other page where you'd like customers to have the ability to add items to their cart. Once you've located the correct page, hover your cursor over it and click on Edit. This action will take you into the WooCommerce page editor for that particular page. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at the top left part of your screen and you'll see a plus button. Click on it. This is the Add Block menu, which gives you access to all the different elements and widgets you can add to your page. In the search bar that appears, type in Cart. You'll see an Add to Cart element show up in the results. Simply drag this element to your WooCommerce store canvas and position it wherever you wish to place it on the page. This flexibility lets you design the page layout in a way that makes the most sense for your customers' shopping experience. Once you've added the button and positioned it exactly where you want it, look at the top right part of your screen and click on Save. This finalizes your changes and makes the Add to Cart button live on your page. And that's it. You've successfully added an Add to Cart button to your WooCommerce WordPress site, giving your customers a seamless way to shop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.